EthanCooks. Today we're gonna make samosas. This fully vegan, no meat is involved, including eggs. So the ingredients are 1 cup of minced mushrooms, 1 small head of broccoli minced, 1 carrot chopped into cubes, 1 potato chopped into cubes, sliced onion, 1 can of green peas, 3 cloves of onion, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1.5 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of water with some flour mixed with it, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of oil, and another separate container with 1.5. Some herbs and spices. I recommend using cayenne pepper because it adds spice like Indian foods. 2 of them, but then 1 is smaller. And I recommend adding in this one cumin seed and more of cumin seed than cayenne pepper. Let's get started. In a large bowl, you have to add your 1.5 cups of flour. Then you have to add your smaller mixture of herbs and spices. Then you have to add your flour mixed with water, 1 tablespoon of it. And you want to add 2 tablespoons of water. Then add 1.5 tablespoons of oil. And lastly, salt and pepper. Then with the spatula, you have to mix it all together until it turns into your dough. If it's lacking in water, slowly add some more into the bowl. When you're done, it should look something like this. Then you want to wrap it with saran wrap. Then you want it to rest for 30 minutes. But while it's resting, we'll get to the filling. Now in the pan over medium heat, you have to add your oil. And you have to spread it around the pan. Then you have to add your onions. Then you have to wait until it gets caramelized. Now that the onions have caramelized, you want to add your garlic. After you add your garlic, you want to add your potatoes. And the carrots. Then you have to stir it for a while. Now you add the rest of the ingredients. Now that your dough has rested and your filling is done, now we need to create the shape of the samosas. So first you have to unwrap your dough and prepare something like what I did, which is flour on your table. You have to place your dough. Then first you have to knead it. Then, after a while, you have to chop this into 8 parts. Now that it has been split into 8 pieces, you want to grab one piece, turn it into a ball like this. Then you have to roll it into a circle. You have to repeat the step for all the pieces. So now, we've turned the pieces into circles. We made 8 of them, of course, but just there are 8 pieces. So you want to cut one into 4 pieces, like this, from this. So let's get cutting. So now we sliced it, and we were able to create 32 pieces. Now we want to create the samosas itself by placing in the filling. You want to grab one piece, then you want to grab some of your filling and place it in the center. It's a little bit messy, but around the spoonful will be enough. I accidentally got too much. So now you want to place in your filling like this. Then you have to grab a flour and water mixture and place it on one of the corners. And this part as well. And you have to fold it. If some of them comes out, then you could save it for the next samosa. And you just want to repeat this process again and again until you've made all of them.